from Thailand. This is our last house tour in Chiang Mai because next week we are leaving, and today we prepared such a homey and light house which designed in Provence style. Let's go and see together.
When all the heads in the house turn towards the door, and all the men's jaws drop to the floor, it's nothing to me, it's just how I roll.
And we are in. Let's start. When we just come inside this house, we have this small space, shoes area, and in case of a rain we have 4 umbrellas. Behind me there is located like bathroom area, but we will get back to that later on because I want to show you upstairs. The stairs are so soft and comfy, and here we are. Look at this space. It's a big open space. Here are located pretty untrivial kitchen because it has a big countertop and a lot of units behind it. Also we have a big fridge, microwave, teapot, sink, and a lot of nice dishes. And in front of the kitchen we have dining zone. It's also pretty comfortable and big. We have 4 chairs and 1 more extra chair here. And at this zone we have a super chill area. It has nice and stylish couch, and you can think that it's just for 1 person, but actually even 2 person can fit here very well. Also this nice white coffee table, this wicker rug and seat. I don't know why, but it feels so comfortable. It can be transferred for 2 seats.
Yeah.
I love it so much. It feels like you can have a tea here, yeah?
Yeah, why not?
Let's put it back. And behind, here are so charming blue doors, which leads us to the balcony.
I love it here.
Yes, I love it here too. You can see the city area, some local restaurant. And next, let's see our bedrooms. Yeah, we have 2 bedrooms this time. Let's see both of them. There is small corridor. We have 2 doors which leads to bedrooms, and this nice decoration. We can see elegant flowers here. I love it so much. And let's go and discover first bedroom. Wow. It's so simple, but it's amazing because we have 1 bed. It's really comfortable. Behind there the window, and you can see that the structure of this room is so specific because it's located under the roof, and it's really make this so charming atmosphere. We don't have too much stuff here, but it's everything enough. So 2 side tables, night lighting, this stylish chair. Actually this is from some modern design. But it's so comfortable. You can relax here, chill, even sleep. I don't know, I think so. And on that wall we have hangers where you can locate your clothes or towels, and mirror.
Oh, yes, I was sitting. Yeah, they see from the mirror.
And let's discover second one. Oh. You can see that it looks like similar to that one, but we have 2 separated rooms, and I think that's why this house can be used by family, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
So here also 1 hanger for clothes, 1 mirror, 1 night table, and look at this lamp. I love it so much. Look at this design. It's some animal. I thought first it's fox, then I started to think maybe it's red panda. Did you watch Panda Kung Fu?
I did.
Yeah.
There was a red panda.
So this is so nice. Small details, but they really makes you feel warm. And as you remember, we have downstairs bathroom, so let's go and see them. And here The bathroom area. You can see that in the middle we have this sink. It's pretty big and nice. It's designed in round shape and also round mirror. Small decorations located here like flowers and this bag for hair dryer. And let's check our doors. Here, shower number 1. Behind me, one more door and shower number 2 with the toilet. And at this side, one more toilet. So as you can see, here really can stay a lot of people. I think around 5, yeah?
Yes.
And let's go and talk what do I like the most. This house has done in a Provence style. It's a French provincial interiors which have a lot of flower patterns. For example, you can see it in living room on walls or furniture or textile. Also, it has a wooden structure on the walls and a lot of natural materials. For example, we have seats, carpet or basket in bedrooms. They have done in natural materials. And pastel colors like creamy, light blue, light green and pink. And let's go and see outside.
And we are in the garden. I told her to turn from the left side, not right. It made it harder for me. Okay, anyway, we have a lot of greenies in the garden and a perfect table to do our work a bit and a lot of Thai style decoration. And this one, especially for the festival, called Loy Krathong, and we were able to join yesterday night. Location of this house made it so easier for us to join to the festival because we are in the heart of the Chiang Mai's old city. That was it for today, guys. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please hit the like button.
And let us know in comment down below what did you like the most about this house.
And we'll see you in the next house tour. Bye bye!